Okay, so I'm excited. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of my Hero 7, my GoPro Hero 7 unboxing. So I'm excited. This bag is like so sticky from Best Buy. Okay, make sure nobody gets anything they're not supposed to have. Oh my gosh, look at it. So this is the white one. It's the GoPro Hero 7. Let's see. 10 megapixels. Yeah. This is a pretty good camera. Let's just open it up. How do I even get in this thing? At this point, I do not know. I'm just going to go through the bottom. I guess that's where you're supposed to. I have no clue. Oh yeah, it is. So you just pull the little tab and open it. Ta-da! So excited. Y'all don't understand how long I've been wanting this camera so that I can, I'm going to keep this so I can continue to just like put it in there for right now because I don't have a case. But I've been wanting this camera for so long so that I can give better pictures. I can do better YouTube videos, better vlogging, and I also can hide this because it's so small and I'm going to start doing prank videos on my family. So not quite sure what this is. I guess this goes in the car. I think that's what that's for. It's like you stick it like that, you know, because that's adhesive on the back. And there's another one. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Now, how in the hell do I get the rest of it off of here? I'm so confused with this. I think I have to I'm not even reading any directions, but yeah, I think I have to unscrew this part. So, I'll just unscrew it. I feel like getting looser, so I'm pretty sure this is what I was supposed to do. Seemed like common sense to me. I hope that's what happens. Nope. That's not what I was supposed to do. This is going to be a funny unboxing. Wait. Oh, I was just supposed to pick it up like that. Okay. I lied. And it's sticky. Alright, so let me put this camera back where it's supposed to go then. Because I just sit there and like undid this thing. Oh, because you can move it. Am I supposed to take this off? Maybe I should have read the directions. Yeah, I think I should have read the directions, actually. So confused right now. I mean, this looks like trash, right? What am I supposed to do with this? But it can't be. It's the base of the camera. It has to be like, so you can put the camera down like this. Yeah. Okay. Cool. We'll just rock with that for now. Now, if I can just get this back. Maybe I should have read. Okay, so in the future, I'll actually read the directions. But there's no directions in the box, actually. I don't see any. So, yeah. I'm going to put this back in. I'm screwing it back in because I screwed it out. Because I had no idea what I was doing. And did not read any directions. Yeah, this is what happens when you don't read directions. Sorry. But it's still going to be a good unboxing because in my videos, I try to like not really edit anything out. If I make a blooper, then I just make one. Whatever. I think it makes a better video. Except the fact that I can't get this back on while I'm talking to you guys. So I'm going to like come right back. Okay, so actually I realized why I couldn't, get it to work because, let's see if you can actually see it here. This says remove. So I'm actually supposed to take this off. I don't really use directions. I just kind of use my brain, but whatever. So now, let's try this again. I'm going to make sure the holes line up. Yep, and that's way easier. Now it's working. So, yeah. All right. So that's how that goes. And what is this for? I'm not really exactly sure what this is for. Is this... Nope, not for the charge. I think this is for the charge. Or is this to turn it on? I have to play with this thing and get to know what is really going on. And I probably need to read the directions because it's so tiny. Oh my gosh, look at this. Like I can just like fold my hands. But yeah, I can just like fold my hands like this and you can't even see it. Like when I take this part off, you know, I'm going to eventually take that off and have the little stick that you see everybody have. Well, I have a couple of them. I just don't use it. But if I was to take that off and just do like this, you don't even know I have it. So it's really good for like a hidden camera, which means I'm about to prank my family so much. They're going to be so sick of me, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm about to prank them. I've been waiting. See, I was trying to use my phone. Well, I have been using my phone to do all these vlogs and different types of videos, how-to videos and all that. And so it's been kind of hard. But this is so easy. I could literally just be sitting like this and just have like a little glimpse showing. This is going to be so much fun. If you have prank ideas, please drop them below. I have no problem with trying whatever you guys want me to try on my husband or my daughter. And I will prank my mom too, and my stepdad, and my dad, and my stepmom. I have no problem. I'll prank my friend too. It's okay. So if y'all have any ideas, I want to start actually with my family, but if y'all have any ideas, just let me know and I will prank them, no problem. So let's see what else is in the box. Oh, huh, what do you think's in here? Let's see. Well, damage replacement, cloud backup, and discounts at GoPro. So that's a plus. Definitely want to hold on to this bad boy. Would you look at there? It all could have been so simple. But I just like started unboxing and didn't even look at it. But yeah, this shows me exactly what to do, where the charger goes, everything. So look at that. And what else do we have here? The GoPro. Oh, this is a sticker. The GoPro. The GoPro. Oh, it's actually 2 stickers. They're in half. I don't know if you can see. They're 2 different stickers. So, yeah. And this is important product and safety instructions. So, just like the manual, I see that they have it in several different languages. So, if you don't speak English, they may have your language in here. I mean, I see tons of different languages. Okay, I see so many different languages, I can't even find the English one. Okay, I just need... Oh, it's first. Okay. I was like just thumbing through the book. But yeah, so it starts off with English. It looks like it has like 4 or 5 different languages in this. They want to make sure you know how to use it no matter where you're from and no matter what type of ethnicity or race or what language you speak or whatever, which is great. Okay, so this is my unboxing. Oh, and they do it here too on the back of this card. You can see that they have all the languages, which is cool. Yeah, so this is my unboxing for the GoPro. I'm going to like sit here and play with this for a little bit now. Dinner's not ready. I actually am not cooking today. My husband is cooking. Because believe it or not, even though I'm making this video, I'm in a lot of pain and I was thinking about going to the hospital. But I'm not going to the hospital. Long story short, just going to relax. My husband is making dinner. My daughter is doing her homework. And my husband is actually in the shower right now. So yeah, while he's doing that and I have a little free time, I'm going to play with this. It's my new baby. And I'm going to start giving better quality videos and pictures and vlogs and pranks and everything. Whatever you want to see, drop it below. Let me know. I have the GoPro. Ha ha ha. And now I'm about to give you quality because I've just been doing this for my phone. Not even the iPhone. My daughter has the iPhone. I've been doing it from the Android. So But honestly, I like Android better than I like iPhone. So my daughter has an iPhone. I have Android. And I've been doing it for my Android. So now we're going to do it from the GoPro. And we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. And look out for my new content because it's going to be great. Bye. I decided to come back and actually use this. So I did just go to the GoPro app on my phone. And then secondly, I unlocked. This was what they're telling you to do. And you can just push your camera out after you unlock it. Well, it's supposed to work that way. It works that way in the video. Well, oh, there it goes. Okay, so you just push it out. So this is the actual camera. Glad I decided to listen to look at the directions here. All right, and so here you want to push what down? Oh, so it's sitting like this. Sitting like this, actually. Oh, and then you want to push this down.
Welcome back. Busy day here in North Carolina. Yeah, really busy one up in Washington. House Republicans store the closed.
That's not going down, so I don't know how they want me to push it down. It's supposed to go down, and battery's still here. Oh, there it goes. So you press it down. You have to hold this little button here and slide at the same time. That's why. And then you lift up. I'm learning. So this is where the 2 ports go. Well, actually, this is where the SD card goes. So I also have the SD card here that my husband bought for me in the last video. Well, one of the last videos that I put up. When we went on a date, and this was at the end of the day. He went and bought me the SD card. So I will open this now. And if I can get it open. I think they make these like really hard to get in because some people may like try to take them or not pay for them, so they want it to be really hard. And it is. They did a great job of making it hard because I can't get in it and I bought it. Whoa. Okay, so I finally got it open. All right, and now we're going to pull this out of the plastic here. This is my SD card, along with my scan disc for the adapter. I really think I need like a camera bag and stuff. I think I'm going to ask Santa Claus for that. Things to go with my GoPro. Because this, my friends, can be lost. It's very small. Alright, so I am on going through the directions here. Okay, I did number 1, I went to the app. I did number 2, I took it out of this case here. I've done number 3, I've opened that. So now we're going to move on to number 4. Number 4, oh, I haven't put the SD card in yet. So we're still on 3 actually. We're going to put the SD card in. Am I even doing this right? I don't even know which way, but I would think it would go this way. It's not as easy as it looks. I'm sorry that it's taking me a while. I don't know which way it goes actually. Oh, that way. It doesn't fit the other way, so it must go this way. Yep, fits perfectly. So I don't know if you can actually see. It may be a little dark, but the SD card is in now. So we're going to move on to number 4. And number 4 is we need to take this loose and actually plug it up. So I'm going to set the GoPro down for a little bit so that I can take this loose It's not that long. I mean, but yeah. All right, and now I'm gonna plug this in. I don't want to do what I did with my charger, y'all. I broke my charger for my phone because I was trying to jam it in the wrong way, upside down. So I definitely don't want to do that with the GoPro. So I'm trying to pay attention to what I do here. All right, put it in. And then I need to plug this in. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wait a minute. So I was trying to figure out earlier what these were for. And they have adhesive on the back. This is the first one. It's like a triangle. I said a triangle. What is wrong with me? It's been a long day. Sorry. I've been at work, overtime, come home, help my daughter with homework, and now I'm doing a video. But whatever. Sorry. And this is the other one here. But it's pretty cool because I looked on here and I'm like, wait, what's going on? You can put them on top of your helmet and like different places, you know? While you're riding your bike, you could be recording while you're riding, which is pretty dope. I might go on a bike ride pretty soon with this thing. But yeah, this looks pretty fun. And they also, it looks like you can put it on the bottom of the camera. Oh, that's how you do it. You put it on the bottom of the camera and then you sit the camera on top of your helmet. So that's pretty dope. I like that. But for now, I would like to turn it on for you guys, but it's not going to turn on because it needs to be charged. And where is the power button? Oh, that would be this. Oh, it did come on. Ah, look at that. It's on, you guys. Oh, it's beeping at me. I think I need to take this off. This has to be a sticker, so. Oh, wait. I don't even know how to get the sticker. I don't want to scratch it, so I'm just like being very, very careful. Because truth be told, if I scratch this, it's going back to the store and I'm going to tell them it was scratched when I bought it. Okay, so I got it. I don't really need to see this guy anymore. That's nice and everything. It's just showing that you can use the camera underwater. But I don't need to see him anymore. So this is whenever you change and put your language. So I do know Espanol, but I speak English. So I'll go ahead and put English. And by using the GoPro, I agree to the terms of use available at gopro.com/legal. I agree. Install the GoPro app, which is downloading on my phone right now, on your phone to finish the setup. Okay. And leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. So, can you see? Hopefully you guys can see, but that's what it says. So I'll stop right here, and the rest of it I have to actually do on my phone that I'm taping right now. So this is my unboxing of the GoPro. It is so cute. It is so tiny. I am so in love, and I'm going to do so many prank videos and so many like great quality videos. So yeah. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment, and share all of my YouTube videos. I love you a bunches. And until next time, bye!